People always say they want more. More features, more options. But what if our businesses were far more powerful with less? Not less capability, just less clutter and complexity. We believe that less is more, and that true simplicity is powerful because it frees you to experience what matters most: clarity, efficiency, impact. Experience Nutanix. All the power imaginable in a simple, elegant enterprise cloud platform.
It all started with recognizing tremendous amount of complexity that's there in the infrastructure space and asking, does it really have to be this complex?
We believe if you can marry consumer-grade design with web-scale engineering, we can build beautiful and powerful products that are accessible to the masses.
What we are trying to do from a business perspective is to enable the people in the data centers to be able to achieve a lot more with a lot less effort.
It's all about looking at what the customer wants to solve as a problem and see what's the current experience and how can we enhance it.
Our ambition here is to keep the experience with our products uncompromisingly simple.
People want really powerful features in a very simple interface. We are an engineer company. We sell very complex products, but we put design first.
The three principles of design that we follow at Nutanix are intentional, opinionated, and delightful. Intent-based design is all about enabling the person to accomplish whatever they intend to do without going through a series of procedural steps.
You're asking the user to say what the intention is rather than asking the user what the steps are to reach your end goal. That's how we do upgrades as well. We tell the system this is where we want to go as a software release, and the system figures out the path to get there.
Opinionated design is a minimalistic design philosophy. It's all about providing a small set, but the right set of choices.
We would like to bring the opinion into what the product has, but still give you a menu of choices which really matter to you.
For example, we drive clarity in capacity planning by not flooding the user with a plethora of choices. Instead, we present a small set of precise recommendations to expand with a single click. We also have a built-in search engine that presents a small, targeted set of results. This saves valuable time even when performing complex tasks.
Once we have a really good foundation, we try to bring delight on top of it.
That's typically something we only find in our consumer technology products. But we believe at Nutanix that we can have the same bar for delightful experiences in the enterprise technology space as well.
This is a radical shift in the industry. Infrastructure will no longer be top of mind. The focus will now shift to the human experience that rests on top of this infrastructure.
We're going to look back at this decade as the decade the data center came out of the dark ages.
We have the processes, the people, the appreciation and commitment to design that will make us an enduring company for the long run.
What we are seeing today is the outcome of our investments in the last 5 to 6 years. And this is just the beginning of what the team is going to deliver.